In this video, I will show you how to hide active status on Facebook Messenger on your iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on my Facebook Messenger. Now, in order to hide your active status, what you're going to want to do is come and press onto the three lines up in the top left-hand corner. Next, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and press onto the gear icon to go into your settings. And in your settings, you're going to see an option for active status. So what you want to do is give this a press. As you can see, when you're active, your friends and connections can see when you're active or recently active on this profile. So to turn this off, all you need to do is turn the switch off, just like so. What's going to happen, you're going to get to this confirmation window saying turn off active status. So you won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, recently active, or in a chat with you. All you need to do is simply press on to turn off to confirm. And as you can see, we've now hidden our active status on Facebook Messenger on iPhone. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.